Did the G7 just twist the facts about Iran's nuclear program? Iran says yes, and they're not holding back. Iran's foreign ministry spokesman, Esmail Baqaei, slammed the G7's recent statement on Iran's nuclear issue. He called it deceptive and a distortion of reality. According to Iran, the G7 is backing unlawful actions by the U.S. and European powers, trying to restore UN sanctions that had already been lifted. Baqaei reminded the world, the U.S. quit the JCPOA nuclear deal in 2018. Since then, America and its allies have blocked Iran's diplomacy efforts. He accused them of even coordinating with Israel in military attacks against Iran's nuclear facilities. Iran says the G7's claim that the West made good-faith diplomatic offers is a sheer falsehood. Instead, Iran argues the U.S. and Europe broke their promises, followed Washington's lead, and sabotaged peace talks. Finally, Baqaei blasted the G7 for ignoring Israel's nuclear arsenal, calling it pure hypocrisy. He said that the G7 has no moral authority to preach about international law.